Good morning. Today we wanted to create a quick video for a trade pick that we've identified to show you guys just how simple and easy it is to use our trading service and to make real profits in the market on a consistent basis. And we thought the easiest way to demonstrate this for you would be to take a trade in one of our own accounts and to show that to you live on video so that you could see it firsthand for yourselves. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'll show you today's date for the trade that we want to take. And I'll do that by going up here, and I'll show you the New York Times website. So if I go to nytimes.com, and that'll bring up the first page of the New York Times website. As you can see right here, today's date is Tuesday, July 14th, 2009, and the market's about to open in roughly 10 minutes. Now, what I'd like to do now is bring up a charting package that we use to track particular stocks. So I'll just go ahead and bring that up now. Okay. Now, the stock that we've identified for today is a stock called NHYT. And if I click go here, it brings up a chart of this particular stock. Now, as you can see here, when the market opens, we should get a new candle here, and hopefully that will move in our favor. Now, if I go down here, I can put in the same symbol, NHYT. And if I click go, it should bring up some information for me. There we go. It tells me the last traded price, which was 25 cents, the current bid and ask price, and the current volume, which is around 800,000 shares, and the time. So what I'd like to do now is bring up our one of our trading accounts so that we can go ahead and place an order for this particular stock. So I'll just go down and bring that up. Okay. Now this is one of our trading accounts, and as you can see here, the account value is $7,983. Our current position value is $412, and that's because we actually have one position open, which is right here, for $412. And actually, if I bring up positions, okay, there you go. It just shows the current trade that we're in. The market value is $412, and we have roughly around $160 profit on this particular trade. So our total cash is $7,570, and the account value is $7,900. So what I'll do now is I'll bring up our stock order form so that we can actually place our trade for today. If I go up here and click stock, okay, so it brings up our stock order form. It's very simple. As you can see here, stock symbol. So we put in our stock NHYT and what we want to do, which is buy. And today we're going to buy around 15,000 shares. We feel this is going to be a quick day trade. So we're happy to buy around 15,000 shares of this particular stock. We're going to place a limit order of 50 cents, which basically means we're happy to buy into this trade at 50 cents or better. And if I just want to double check everything, yeah, that looks good. And if I click preview order, it should bring up, okay, and the estimated commission, which is around $220, which is actually quite high in commissions. There are much cheaper and less expensive brokers than that. If I click place order, that just lets us know that the order has been submitted. The market hasn't opened yet, so this order won't be executed, but it has been submitted. And if I click check order status, okay, so it brings up the trade that we've placed, the order number, the symbol that we're buying, 15,000 shares, and right here you can see it says open. Now, once the market actually opens and the order gets executed, that will change from open to filled and it'll become green. But for now, we can go back to the overview of our account. And as you can see, the account value is still 7,983. And yeah, so the market's going to open in roughly 5 minutes or so. And what we'll do for now is we'll just pause the video and we'll come back once the market's opened and we'll see how we're doing. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes into the market open. And actually, if I go down here and click go, okay, you can see NHYT is now at 45 cents, which is represented on the graph right here. And you can see that the volume has increased from 800,000 shares to almost 4 million shares. So what I'll do now is I'll bring up our trading account and we can see how we're doing. Okay. Now, right here you can see that the account value has gone up from $7,983 up to $8,581. And you can see now we have 2 positions open. And actually, if I go up to positions, right, there it is, right there. You can see that we got filled at 39 cents on our 15,000 shares, and we're showing a profit of $825, which is not too bad for less than 5 minutes of trading. As we said, this was a quick day trade, so what we're going to do is we'll close this trade out now. So I'll click trade here, and that'll bring up our stock order form, and the information's already filled in because it knows that we want to sell our position. So we're not going to do a limit order because we want to get out of the market right now. So it's just a market order for our 15,000 shares. If I click preview order, if I click place order, again it just tells us that the order has been submitted. So I can check our order status. Okay, and right here you can see our original buy. And as I mentioned earlier, it changed from open to fill, and we submitted this order at 9:24 a.m. so around 6 minutes before the market opened. And then right below that buy order, you can see our sell order, which has also been filled, and that was at 9:35 a.m. So 5 minutes after the market opened, we're completely out of this trade. If I go back to overview, you can see right here our account value has gone up by a few $100s, which is always great news. And that's it, we're completely out of this trade, and that's how simple and easy it is to use our service and to make some quick profit in the markets. So I encourage you guys to take a look at the rest of our website. And finally, I'd just like to finish up by saying thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully it's demonstrated to you just how easy it is to use our trading service and to make actual real money in the markets. So if you're genuinely serious about making a consistent profit in the markets, then that is something we can help you achieve. We've been doing it for several years, and we've helped hundreds of investors just like you reach their financial goals. And I'm not going to sit here and tell you that we never have a losing trade, because we certainly do. And I freely admit to that. If any trading service ever tells you that they don't, please do yourself a favor and stay away because they're simply lying to you. Thankfully, we have far more winning trades than we do losing trades, and our winning trades far exceed our losing trades. So again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and hopefully we will see you as a member of our trading service.